And I think, probably helpful for us to just share some points on interviews as well. And I think once again, confidence.
Yeah.
You're answering questions. There's a tendency for people to be overly modest. This is your chance to shine. Don't be bolshy, but if you've got strong skills and you can back them up with evidence and present that, be confident in your answers. Whichever area of law it is that firm specialise in, or that particular department that you're going for a vacation scheme with, brush up on it. You don't have to be spending days and days and days, but just make sure that you know what's current so that you can talk about what's current and, if possible, give your opinion on where you think it's going, whether you think the law's right, how you think the law applies, etc.
Yeah, absolutely. I remember an interview I went to a few years ago now, and I was researching this firm and what current cases the firm themselves were involved with. And there was a long-running case that had been going for 4 or 5 years. It was going through the appeals process, and the latest thing on the news, like the day before, or a couple of days before, was that judgment was being handed down.
Wow.
So it didn't even come up in the interview, but I was just, any questions at the end, I was like, I've been following this case. Do you have the judgment yet? Can you tell me about it? And then we started talking about this area of law for a good while. So
amazing.
That just obviously impressed, because it was something extra to speak about that wasn't part of the interview, but it just showed that I'd done some wider reading. Most firms, they're very big on marketing, on social media, on their website, so it's not hard to find current cases that they're working on.
No.
Or even if it says, this area of law, like you say, John, go and have a look what's impacting that area of law. Absolutely.
Yeah.